Welcome to this tutorial. This time I'll show you how to cancel a meeting after it was already booked and paid for, so you can get a refund back onto your QuaQua workspace. Unexpected circumstances can always happen, so we've made canceling a meeting easy, and we'll make sure to give you an automatic refund after the cancellation. I will show you now how to cancel a meeting and get refunded, depending on the payment method that was used at the time of the checkout process of the booking. Visit booking.quaqua.be and log into the workspace in which you want to cancel the meeting. After you've logged into your workspace, you'll immediately arrive at the overview of all your past, present and future meetings. You'll see that the 4 meetings on the bottom already took place, so they cannot be cancelled anymore. The same counts for meetings that have already started. The meeting at the top, in the green color, has been booked and paid for, but did not start yet. If you need to cancel this meeting, let me show you how. Next to the name of the meeting that you want to cancel, you'll find 3 small dots. Hover on them and a white cancel button will appear. If you hover over that button, it will turn into a light gray color. Click on that button and it will bring you to the confirmation screen. A confirmation pops up to make sure that you want to cancel the meeting. If you are absolutely sure, press on the Yes Cancel button. After cancellation, the meeting is automatically set to the archived status. If you want to permanently remove an archived meeting from your meeting overview, hover over the 3 dots next to the meeting name again. A delete button will show up. When you click on this button, a new pop-up window will appear to ask you for your final confirmation. Then click on the Yes Delete button. As you can see, the cancelled meeting has now disappeared from the meeting overview. As a reminder, there are 3 different ways to pay for the meeting at the checkout process. Either with meeting packs, through your QuaQua wallet, or through a direct payment. When you booked your meetings, through any one of these 3 methods, the refund process will be different for each. Let me explain how the different refund methods work. When you have paid with a meeting pack, we will transfer the cancelled meeting back to your meeting pack. When you have paid with your QuaQua wallet, the refund will be returned to your wallet. When you paid with a credit card or another direct payment method, the refunded amount will be put on your QuaQua wallet for future use. When your meeting turns out larger or smaller than expected, we have the following options. You can always increase the meeting size, even after the meeting has started. For example, you've booked a small meeting, but the turnout is greater than expected. Just go to the booking platform, where you can swap a small-sized meeting for a medium or large-sized meeting. Decreasing the meeting size is also possible, but only before the meeting has started. When you book the meeting through a meeting pack, the larger meeting will be returned to the pack and replaced by the smaller one, at no cost. When you booked through a QuaQua wallet or another payment method, the difference in cost will be credited back to your wallet, but in this case, the transaction costs will be subtracted from the refund. We've arrived at the end of this tutorial. I hope it answered most of your questions about the cancellation, refunding and changing the size of a meeting. The QuaQua team hopes to see you again soon, on our platform. For more information, go to support.quaquameeting.com.